Alright guys, today magagawa tayo ng rebusadong kamote. So look at that. We have our deep fryer here ready to go. Ayan, ilalagay na natin yung ating kamote. It's already ready and prepped. So we will start deep frying this kamote. Look at that. It start frying already our kamote. So leave it for at least mga 5 minutes. Make it more crispy. Then after 5 minutes, look at that, it's all crispy. Then we will take it out, tanggalin na natin dyan, and ilalagay natin siya sa isang lalagyan kung saan makapag-rest. So look at that one, that's the one we're talking about. And then we will let that oil drip there for a little bit, okay? Ayan, look at that, how crispy that kamote is. So pagkatapos, i-check natin, okay? I'm gonna get one of this and then I will show that to you kung gaano siya ka-crispy. Look at this one. Focus and then there you go. Very crispy. Okay, ngayon meron tayong 15 ml vanilla and then 1 cup of sugar and then 1/3 cup of water. So, ang gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng sugar rebusado. There you go. Water first. Once the water is in, lalagay natin yung ating 1 cup of sugar. And then, i-follow natin yung extract vanilla. Okay? Imimix natin ng konti para nang sa ganon, magkaroon siya ng bubbling. Okay? Once it start bubbling yung kanyang sugar, pwede na natin ilalagay yung ating kamote. Look at that. There you go. Kamote is ready to go on our sugar. Pagkatapos, i-mix natin para nang sa ganon, mag-coat siya ng ating sugar, yung ating kamote. So, continue lang tayo mag-stir hanggang sa mag-coat lahat yung ating kamote. Once the kamote is already been coated with all the sugars, continue ka lang mag-mix slowly hanggang sa mag-start na siya mag-dried out. Kasi yung ating sugar, we will start to dry out as we continue to stir. There you go. Nakita nyo yan. Medyo nagkaroon na ng dryness yung kanyang sugar. Pagkatapos yan, mga ilang minuto na lang, magiging dry na talaga yan siya. And then, there you go. Our kamote is already cooked and that sugar is already dry. Tingnan nyo. I-rest natin siya ng sandali bago natin isi-serve. Look at that. Look at this kamote. It's all looking good and yummy.